Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Compass North that we have here on the lot. I'm just going to take a quick walk around the Compass today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. As we come around towards the back of the Jeep here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped back there. Quick look at the cargo area in the back. So you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. That second row also does fold down when those seats aren't needed to give you a little bit of added space. And of course with this Jeep Compass you do get 4x4 capabilities, so giving you great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Checking out some of the features inside here. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can see you can get 3 in that back seat. You do have some rubber floor mats included in that back seat as well, so a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display with that Uconnect built in there, so very user-friendly interface. You do have access to all of your audio media controls built in through there. Climate control options also accessible in through the touchscreen as well. Your Bluetooth capabilities, as well as access to some of the apps and settings. Just below that, again, access to basic audio media controls, climate control options as well. Your USB port hookup just down below there. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the Jeep right here. You do have remote start included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Push button start just in behind there. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to your cruise control options in on that right hand side. Audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. Access to your Bluetooth capabilities just on the left hand side, so everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Of course, access to your power windows, locked side mirrors. But that's just a quick look at this Jeep Compass North. If you have additional questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.